I look like hot garbage right now. Also, my hair wrap that one of my friends did for me won't go up, so it's like a permanent rat tail. And I just... I need help. Why? My battery's not even finished charging, but I just really want to open my Boxycharm that I just got like an hour ago, so I don't care. Let's open this. That was harder than it. Are you kidding me? Oh well. Hello. Okay, first thing we have. Why does that look like an orange in there? Boxycharm, Caribbean Queen. Here are a list of things for us. Let's open it. First thing we have are these smushed together brushes. These are $42. What the F word? Precision Foundation Face Brush Trio. With less bristle density, this brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft, diffused makeup look. There's a tampering highlight face brush, a duo fiber power brush. Oh, hold on actually. Okay, this is the dual fiber brush. The Precision Foundation brush, and the tapered highlight. I need a new highlight brush. I'm so excited. What? Oh, they smell weird. Oof. Okay. So that's exciting. I don't even... Does powder brush? I don't do foundation with a brush. Okay. Next thing we have here are these lashes that are $28. Oh, this is such cute packaging. Aw. Monroe Silk Lashes. I don't wear lashes. I really don't, and I don't want to try to put these on because I know it's going to get ruined. I don't even have eyelash. Yes, I do have eyelash glue, but I'm not wearing these right now. These are going to be saved for a nice occasion. If all else fails, bat your lashes. These are going to be saved for like next year's prom or something. Now we have here this... Oh god, I want to read this. I've been wanting to know. This is $10. I saw a lot of people complaining that this isn't like a full size. It's just a sample. Even though Boxycharm's like... Oh god. Oh, that smells really good. Even though like Boxycharm's notorious for full samples or full products, and this is just like a sample size, I saw a lot of people were upset about that. This is $10. This is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and I want to know what this does. Creamy and rich, a native plant whose fruit contains... Oh, never mind. That's not who I wanted it to be. It still doesn't tell me what it is. Fast absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow. Well, I mean, obviously this probably goes just where it says it goes. But I wish it just said it outright so I don't look stupid. Now we have this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. It goes for $21. This is in the color Verona. And yeah, I'm gonna try this on. Does not feather. Vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look, creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips, creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. Good, because I don't have any. It smells weird. Ooh. Oh, if I'm gonna be wearing it on my face, I don't want it to smell like garbage. This is matte. It feels good. It doesn't feel sticky like this one they gave me a little while ago. This literally stuck, like it would. It's bad. And now we have an eye. Oh, I lied. We have more stuff. This is a waterproof eyeliner pencil. $5. That's my thing. Slides on glue. Slides on smooth. What color is this? Is this a gray? Charcoal. Yeah, it's a gray. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've. That scared me so bad. It's been a while since I've even used, like, I give up. It's already garbage. It's garbage on my eye. Like, I don't even know what I was doing with it, but it's a good product. Okay, now we have this eyeshadow palette that I've been looking forward to. Oh wow, this is so cute. Eyeshadow palette volume 1. Does it open like a... It does open like a book. Why does it feel like it opens in another part there? Interesting. I'm gonna break this on accident. I'm not gonna mean to. Okay. Dang. Oh. Dang. Okay. Yeah, my box is flying away. This is $28. And I'm putting that down. This is pretty. It is like a little book. It is a little book, and I love that so much. Oop. I love it so much. Ooh, I love books. Okay, I'm gonna swatch these. They have a little... Oh my god, wait. Wait. Some of these have like little... They look like a sun, and then it looks like water. Ah! For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush, the sun symbol for application with a dry brush. Okay, that makes sense. La Costa? Oh! Yeah? Hold on. Okay, that's done, and now I can continue swatching. Don't ask me to say these names. I won't be able to. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm literally, why are these so pigmented? Ow! I don't understand. What in the H word? Yeah, stop snapping me back, please. These are the mattes. All the ones that you can use with water are the shimmers, and these are the mattes. Oh wow, these are pretty. These are literally beautiful. Okay, I'm not gonna go into too much. Why can I never swatch right? Those are the swatches, and they're literally gorgeous. What? So, I'm gonna use all of my stuffs right now. There's something I'm missing. What am I missing? The eyeliner. Where'd it go? Rip. I lose everything. Oh, no, it's in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I can't even keep my glasses up. I suck. Oh, the eyelashes that I'm not using. Yes. So, I already have this lipstick on. I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick. Just because they're literally disgusting half the time. Since I do have cheer, I'm not gonna do any foundation, but I do want to use at least one of these brushes, so I'm gonna use this highlight one. Yes, just to see, you know, how it works. Basically, this is getting on my daggone nerves. I need to bobby pin it up, so I'm just gonna look. That's nice. That's quite nice. Yep. Yep, I like this. This is lovely. And I'm going to be putting that in my bag. These, I don't know. I have to use some powder and I'll have to try some foundation with this. I don't know. I don't know yet. Cute though. I'm going to have to test this some other time. And research maybe. It literally just smells so good. I want this to be a perfume. Oh my god. If this is what I think it is though, this will be good because I'm going to the beach next week. If it's not, I just literally look dumb as heck. I already put this lipstick on. It actually does feel really nice. Okay, it's not bad. Now I'm going to get out some eyeshadow brushes so I can work with this palette. Okay, come on. Basically everything I get from Boxycharm is in my giant makeup bag, so... Okay. Maybe we'll use this eyeliner afterwards, but just please let me do this. Yeah. Okay. I'm not going to be using any of these wet, just because they're pigmented on the... I'm just knocking everything over. They're pigmented enough on their own. I will start with Cocoa Taxi. Oh my gosh, these are... in the crease area ish, kind of spread it around, make this like a transition cut. Transition. Let me turn this on for a minute. Use this as a transition shade almost in the crease, and then add Tropico. I said that with a British accent. I don't know why. And put that on top. Concentrating more on the outer part, and then just slowly bringing it in. This is so pretty. This would create a really nice sunset look. That's the word I'm looking for. Then I'm going to take Guantanamera and put that in the lower lid, like outer lid, lower crease-ish. And just keep that concentrated there, not bringing it inward any. Just keeping it right there. And then taking Cafecito and putting that even lower. And just keeping that on the lid. The very outer part. And then taking a clean brush and kind of blending that all together. Okay. I don't know if that's fallout or just me being trash at makeup. So then I'm going to take this little brush here and put Tropico, why do I do that in my brush accent? I'm trying to get all the mascara from last night off. Okay, and then I'm going to put that under, like on the bottom. I shouldn't have shooken all the excess off. That's so pretty though. What? Okay, and then I'm going to, and it's in my eye. I think I'm dying, to be honest. Then I'm going to take this, this brush specifically for, the lid packing-ish. I'm going to take La Costa, which is that pink color, and put it on the inner part of the lid. Just to the middle, not making anything, not going in super far. And then, in the inner corner and brow bone. Okay, I'm gonna go in and do the other side and be right back. So, give me just a second. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna put, oh god, my leg is cramping. Yep. I'm going to put this charcoal color right on my upper lash line. Carefully. Just a thin line. Ooh. Okay, and then apply some mascara. And for this, I'm going to be doing this Tarteist. There's some of my Tarteist mascara.
2,000 years later.
Oh, I can't breathe. That was miserable. And I messed up my mascara on the bottom. Help. And I'm smearing. I look rough. Okay, so that's the look. That was June's Boxycharm box. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Well, ooh, oh my gosh! I literally just like went over this swatch and I'm blinded. I'm blinded. I'm shooketh. I'm so in awe right now. It's not even funny. Oh my gosh. Anywho, eyelashes I'd have to let you know about. They're really cute though. The eyeliner was a thumbs up. The brushes are a thumbs up. The lipstick's a thumbs up. I would have to let you know about this. And the palette was like 4 thumbs up. So overall, definitely a good box this month. I'm very happy with it. And I will be going to edit this video. If you like this video, go leave a like. If you have anything you want to see or critique, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see me ever again, go subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.